though these changes might not be the most major changes you were probably expecting, maybe minor, but they will improve the day-to-day user experience by a lot. So unlike the previous generation of foldable devices, this phone will be stronger than the Fold 3 from last year, which is actually a big improvement, and that too considering this year it will get a much trimmed down hinge for less bulkiness. According to a tipster, it is said that Galaxy Z Fold 4 will get Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus protection on both front and rear. Now that doesn't mean the Gorilla Glass Victus Plus is on top of the main folding display, surely not. I'm talking about the rear panels and the front cover display. This year the front cover display and the main display is getting 120Hz refresh rate support, the dynamic one. Now he also says that the main display, the folding display, will also have a higher peak brightness of up to 1000 nits. Now even though you probably be expecting some other changes like under display fingerprint scanner, that's not coming. Now if you probably be expecting the S Pen support, S Pen slot or anything like that, well that's not coming. The S Pen support is coming just like the Fold 3, but no S Pen slot or stuff like that. But Samsung is not improving in these areas. Samsung is also improving in battery and charging areas too. Now we already know that this phone will still come with a 4400 mAh battery just like the Fold 3. And there is not going to be an improvement. So you probably be asking, is that anything great? According to another leaker, the Fold 4's battery life will be much better than the Fold 3, even having the same battery capacity thanks to TSMC's 4nm process node based Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, which is also going to be a much more powerful chipset compared to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, like 10% CPU boost, 10% GPU boost with 30% efficiency on both the GPU and CPU fronts. But what if I say you, there is going to be a charging improvement too, even with having the same charging capabilities like 25-watt fast charging. Now Samsung will actually tweak the charging curve somewhat so that it charges 50% of the battery in 30 minutes. Now for contrast, the Fold 3 can only do up to 33% in that same time frame. So that's a good improvement. Maybe not a major improvement, but still a great improvement if you consider that it will still support the same 25-watt fast charging, even though we had expectations and we've heard that it will come with 45-watt up to fast charging, but we just don't know. And yeah, Brazilian customers might just get charger in the box, so yeah, we probably not gonna get it. Now, leaker Snoopy Tech also says that the company's upcoming folder phones will not actually have the letter Z and will simply call the Galaxy Fold 4 and the Flip 4. And we know why Samsung has apparently decided to do that. I mean, I don't have to tell you about that. Now, if you don't know, in Europe, at the very least, Samsung has already started selling the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Z Flip 3 without the letter Z in it. So that was the starting of it, so Samsung is kind of removing it. Now, I think Samsung should have used a V. I think that would have made more sense because V is kind of like the foldable things. You get the point, but whatever. But these are not the only improvements coming. Wait a minute, there is another big improvement, and that is Samsung's new UFS 4.0 technology. So now you probably be asking what are the advantages over the UFS 3.1, which is already so fast. So the UFS 4.0 storages will allow you to have data transfer speed up to 23.2 GB per second, which is actually double the speed of the UFS 3.1. Crazy. Now that's not the only thing. 2800 Mbps write speed, which is 60% faster than the UFS 3.1. And it will still offer 45% power efficiency. Just consider that. And on top of that, it will also offer 4200 Mbps read speeds. So yeah, these all things overall might not look really interesting or crazy, but they will certainly improve the everyday user experience by a lot, and also for the future. That's actually cool. Now the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and the Z Flip 4 are expected to come in at least 128GB, 256GB and a 512GB model. But we've also seen that in South Korea, the Z Fold 4 might also come in a 1TB model. And the 128GB model of both of the devices might be region specific. So we have to wait till Samsung's event. So yeah, that's about it. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Are you really excited about the Fold 4 or the Flip 4? Hey, I will take a few seconds to introduce to you my latest wallpaper pack, Agate. Now, these are insanely sharp, beautiful, high-resolution 8K wallpapers made for desktops, laptops, tablets, and your smartphones. You can visit the link in the description to check out. And yeah, you can also subscribe to my website for exclusive discounts. Or simply, you just can visit my website, joindavid.com, for latest tech news that matter. Until the next one, bye and take care.